Hi, I'm Susan. I'm taking this cutting board I got at Dollar Tree, and I cut out this pretty sun on my Cricut, and I just am transferring it to the cutting board. I'm using a pretty blue and white vinyl I got at Walmart last year. I know it's hard to tell on camera, but it's a very beautiful vinyl. I got these little half wooden beads at Amazon, and I'm going to decorate the corners of my sign. I'm going to paint half my beads in this apple barrel paint in white. It's part of the plaid family of paints, and I am a plaid ambassador, and I highly recommend them. The other half of my beads I'm going to paint in this apple barrel in bright blue. Once I finish painting my beads, I'm going to set them aside and let them dry. Today's challenge is the Sign Wednesday challenge, hosted by Janny and Dyanne of Deco Easy and co-hosted by Leeny of Krafty Leeny. We get to make signs and be very creative with it. Janny and Dyanne and Leeny are all so creative, as well as being very encouraging and kind. I love seeing what they make. I will have their channels listed in the description box, as well as the playlist. Please go check them out. You will love what you see. I just can't speak enough of these ladies. I decided to make my sign a little bigger. So I take a second cutting board, and I also on my Cricut printed out a saying, enjoy the sun. Here in Mississippi it's hot and we don't always enjoy the summer, but we've gotten so much rain that we do want to enjoy the sun. With transfer tape, I just transfer the saying onto my board. Now I want to connect my two cutting boards together, and I use this craft stick that I had from a previous project, and I use a combination of E6000 and hot glue to glue it down in the center. Now I can only put it in the center, and because of the transparency of the sign, I'm going to have to do something about the middle on the front, because you can see the stick through the boards. But first I'm going to put these little beads, figure out how I want to decorate them, and I keep arranging them and deciding what I'm going to do, and just hot glue them on. I decided to use these wooden tags I have to put in the middle to decorate my board, and I will paint them also in the apple barrel white and the apple barrel bright blue. Now I'm going to just arrange and hot glue my tags down onto my sign. I take these pretty stickers I got from Dollar Tree and I just add some summery stickers to the tags to help also decorate. Now I'm going to wrap some summery ribbon. This ribbon I've had for years. It probably came from my mom and it's probably back from the 80s, but I think it is so pretty. And I just wrap the handles on both of my boards with this ribbon, and then I use some of the ribbon to make a hanger. I just start off by hot gluing the ribbon down on there for the hanger. And then I go back and get some popsicle sticks and cut them down so that you can't see them through the board, and glue them across the top to help give it some more support and hold that ribbon on. Well, here's how it turned out. I really think it's unique using the cutting boards from Dollar Tree, and I love the blue and white. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you hadn't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think about my sign. Thank you, Janny, Dyanne, and Leeny for hosting and co-hosting this challenge. And until next time, bye, y'all.